It was 2 years ago today that the Standard & Poor's 500 hit a 12-year low. The S&P 500 has been up 95% since then. But today, people on the market, they did not feel like celebrating. Deborah Kostroun is at the New York Stock Exchange with today's market wrap. Not a lot of champagne, no corks popping, not even any cheers.
Yeah, really, no cheers today. And, you know, the S&P Pimm still needs to rise 19% to hit the all-time high that we saw in the S&P. And that, of course, we reached that in October of 2007. So not a lot of movement in today's session. Little volume as the violence in Libya is still in the background. And traders say that they still have to be concerned about those geopolitical risks. And traders do say that the general trend in stocks continues to be higher despite increasing concerns over inflation, debt, global conflicts, and also rising interest rates and oil prices. But Pimm may have a guess that may actually have a differing view from that, as he was just mentioning. What we did see today, materials, energy, and tech stocks among the losers and really kind of holding back this market. Texas Instruments falling after the company saying their first quarter will be in line with analyst estimates. And, of course, Texas Instruments chips are used in everything from washing machines to military equipment. So really kind of gives us a peek into the demand across the electronics industry. And Texas Instruments, you can see, down 3%, Pimm.
All right, but Deborah, there were some areas of the market that people were buying. For example, IBM definitely being one of the stocks moving.
Yes, in fact, IBM was the biggest gainer in the Dow Jones Industrial Average and actually rose to a record. This was after Deutsche Bank lifted its price target to $200 from $175 and doing quite well today. Also, American Eagle performing well along with some other retailers. American Eagle reporting fourth quarter profit that beat estimates. JCPenney was also the biggest gainer in the S&P 500 on the day. And also some news about Walmart. They announced today that they are going small. The company will start building its first express stores. Those express stores will be a tenth of the size of their regular supercenter, and the retailer saying that they're trying to cater more to consumers that just want to get in and get out quickly. Walmart plans to open as many as 40 of these smaller stores this year in rural and urban areas. That first express store likely to open as early as May. That's it from here, Pimm. Now back to you.
Thank you very much. Deborah Kostroun reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.